To clean or replace the air filter on your RZR Pro R, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface and ensure it is in park. Remove both seats by pulling up on the seat latch lever and tilting the seat forward to remove. Next, turn the 4 quarter-turn latches on the upper rear close-off panel. Lift the panel up and pivot out around the seat harnesses to remove. Continue by cleaning the area around the airbox. Then, disengage the 7 airbox cover latches. Pivot the cover out and lift up to remove. Inspect the airbox cover seal for any wear or damage and replace if necessary. Pull the air filter forward towards the driver's side of the vehicle using a rocking and twisting motion. Inspect for excessive debris or damage and replace if necessary. Do not attempt to wash or blow out the filter with compressed air. Before continuing, clean the airbox thoroughly with a clean, dry cloth. Next, reinstall the air filter and ensure it is fully seated. Then, reinstall the airbox cover by aligning the lower retention tabs and pivoting in. Then, secure the 7 cover latches. Next, reinstall the upper close-off panel by pivoting around the seat harnesses and engaging the lower retaining tabs. Then, secure the 4 quarter-turn latches. Finally, reinstall the seats by aligning the front alignment tabs and pushing down on the rear to engage the rear latch. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.